Ever wondered what makes Python one of the most popular programming languages globally? Or perhaps how coding in Python works? It's time to uncover the easy-to-understand basics of Python. Dive into the world of Python, a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Python's design philosophy revolves around the idea of readability counts, making it a great language for beginners to start with. Python is a versatile language with a wide range of applications, from web development to data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and more. Its versatility stems from its extensive library support and vibrant community of developers. The first thing to note about Python is its syntax. Python syntax is straightforward, with no semicolons or curly braces required to denote code blocks. Instead, Python uses indentation to separate code blocks. This means that the layout of your code directly affects its meaning. This feature makes Python more readable and helps avoid common mistakes like mismatched parentheses. Next, Python is an interpreted language. This means that Python executes code line by line, making debugging easier. If an error occurs, Python will stop executing the code and report the error. This feature allows you to correct a mistake as soon as it occurs. Let's not forget about Python's dynamic typing. Unlike statically typed languages where you need to declare the type of a variable when you create it, in Python, you can change the type of a variable even after it's been set. This flexibility can make coding in Python faster and more intuitive. Python also boasts a feature known as batteries included, which refers to its expansive standard library. This library includes pre-written code for a wide variety of tasks, saving you from having to write these functions yourself. Finally, Python supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. This means you can choose the paradigm that best fits your problem or your style of thinking. So, to summarize, Python is a popular, high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Its syntax is straightforward and relies on indentation to denote code blocks. Python's interpreted nature allows for easier debugging, and its dynamic typing provides coding flexibility. The batteries included feature refers to Python's expansive standard library, and its support for multiple programming paradigms allows for versatile problem-solving approaches. Thus, whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into the coding world or an experienced programmer looking to expand your skills, Python offers a user-friendly and powerful platform for all your coding needs.